Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down complex AI problems into simple fun examples. Today, we're diving into the classical water jug problem, an excellent puzzle that illustrates search algorithms in artificial intelligence. Whether you're a student or simply curious about problem solving in AI, this video is for you. So imagine you have two jugs, a 3-liter jug and a 5-liter jug. Your challenge is to measure exactly 4 liters of water using these two jugs. Sounds tricky, right? But it's a well-known puzzle that forces us to think about all possible actions and states, which is exactly what many AI search algorithms do. We'll break down our problem step by step. First of all, we have two jugs. One jug can hold up to 3 liters and the other jug can hold up to 5 liters. Our goal is to measure exactly 4 liters of water using these two jugs. And the actions we can take are these three actions. We can first fill a jug completely from the water source, or we can empty any jug back into the water source, or we can pour water from one jug to another until one of the jugs is either empty or full. AI approaches this problem by considering every state represented as a pair xy, where x is the amount of water in the 3-liter jug and y is the amount of water in the 5-liter jug. The starting state is 0, 0. Our actions transition from one state to the next. So we'll see this step by step. Follow along as we solve this puzzle using a series of moves. The initial state is 0, 0, where both jugs are empty. Then we fill the 5-liter jug first, which takes the state to 0, 5. Now we pour water from the 5-liter jug into 3-liter jug until the smaller jug is full. Now the 3-liter jug has 3 liters and the 5-liter jug is left with 2 liters. Then we empty the 3-liter jug back into the water source. Now our state becomes 0, 2. Then, in another step, we pour the 2 liters from the 5-liter jug into the empty 3-liter jug, which takes our state to 2, 0. In the 6th step, we refill the larger jug completely, which takes our state to 2, 5. And since the 3-liter jug can only hold 1 more liter, as it already contains 2 liters, we pour just 1 liter from the 5-liter jug to fill it up. Now, the state becomes 3, 4. And there we have it. The 5-liter jug now holds exactly 4 liters of water, which is our target. In AI, this problem is modeled as a state space search. Each state represents a unique configuration of water in the jugs. We use algorithms like BFS or DFS to explore these states. BFS is particularly useful here because it guarantees the shortest path to our solution. We'll talk about BFS more in our upcoming videos. Essentially, here the AI is figuring out step by step which moves, fill, empty or pour will lead to the desired outcome. The puzzle is more than just a brain teaser. It introduces key concepts in AI such as state space representation, which helps us to understand how to represent different states and transition, which is crucial for problem solving. The next is search algorithms. So techniques like BFS helps us find out the most efficient solution. And the third is problem abstraction, where we deal with learning to abstract real world problems into a format that a computer can process, which is also a fundamental skill in AI. So that's the water jug problem in a nutshell. It's a brilliant example of how we use AI to solve puzzles by methodically exploring all possible states until we reach the goal. If you enjoyed this breakdown or if you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.